What's Daddy doing, buddy?
Acorns! Acorn, Daddy!
There is an acorn on there, buddy.
And two acorns.
What's Daddy doing to the pumpkin?
Wait till you see what's inside. Alright, ready?
Whoa! That's heavy again.
It is heavy.
That's a big heavy one. It's a big heavy pumpkin. Whoa! That's a big heavy one.
His head stuck. Yep.
I'm taking it open.
Yep, Daddy's trying to open it.
It's kind of wet.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of open. That's kind of open.
Yeah.
What's that? The map. The map. It opens. It opens now.
Okay, we gotta clean it all out first.
It has juice in there.
Mm-hmm.
It has juice.
There are a lot of seeds.
It has juice
Wanna help
in
Daddy
it.
get the seeds out? You reach in there. Pull it all out. See, look inside. See?
There's seeds in there.
There's lots of seeds.
See
We
those?
save the seeds because we can cook the seeds and eat them. They're yummy. I'm gonna push them out. I'm gonna push them out right here.
No.
Get some seeds right there. Put them in the. No.
Daddy do it.
Okay.
That's a big pumpkin.
It is big pumpkin.
That's one on the arm.
Yeah. Get all messy.
There's one on the arm.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all the seeds.
I know. There's lots more inside too. Look at all these.
Whoa, that's a big lot of pumpkin.
I know.
That's a big cereal. They give some seeds out.
There are lots of seeds in there. Lots and lots of pumpkin seeds in here.
Look at those seeds. Look at those seeds.
There's still more.
You want to touch them?
Yeah, touch them. They're just little hard seeds. After we cook them, we can eat them too.
He's cooking with a wet and a pumpkin. When they get them out,
Yeah, I'm getting them out right now.
and see the seeds. When you see them, see those seeds in there.
Yeah.
Look at them out.
You want to get some out? There's some right there. See right there?
Wow.
Want to grab them? Just pull them out like that. They come out easily. There's some right there on the side. You want to grab some?
There's lots of seeds.
Oh yeah, there are lots of seeds.
And get them all, seeds all out. See those seeds? There's lots of seeds in there. There's more seeds. These seeds are all gone.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get them all gone. There's only a little bit more in there.
And more.
Yeah, then we're going to carve the face out. And then we'll put the candle inside.
It counted a lot of
We'll put like one candle in there because it'll make the pumpkin big and bright. I think that's all the seeds we're gonna get, buddy.
Is that cool?